Okay, I am adding another outlet. You see this for the ring, Chime Pro. It's behind the brick wall, and it kind of lose signal. This one right here, I use this to extend the range of the camera. The ring spotlight is outside. So what I'm gonna do, I tried plug it in somewhere around here, and it seems like it get a lot stronger signal. So I'm gonna put the outlet right here and plug in the ring right here, because under here, this is by the back door, and the router is on the other way. So it's kind of sit in between the router and the spotlight, ring spotlight camera. So it will help with the signal, better signal. And I like it right here because at night time, you know, it has the Ring Pro, Chime Pro second version, second generation. It does have the LED light. It's very nice. So I'm gonna try to do that. And this is gonna be really easy because back here it already has the outlet right here. So I'm gonna connect the power from this power source from this outlet to the one over here. So first thing first, I am going to turn off the power to the outlet before I make any connection. Okay, I open this outlet. Okay, this is very easy to do. By opening the existing outlet, okay, and you use the long flatbed screwdriver. You put it in here, and to find the 2x4. Looks like the 2x4 is not on this side, okay. So I angle this to the side a little bit, angle to the right, okay. Then I'm gonna make the hole, poke this through. So on the other side of the wall, it will make the hole, okay? That way, I know where to cut it. Okay, I will show you. Okay, all right. So let's go here, to the other side and see. Okay, you see that the screwdriver is right here. It made a big, terrible hole, but I'm gonna cut right here. Okay. So the outlet, the new outlet, will be right over here, and I will feed the wire, the new wire through. Okay, but before you do this, before you use the screwdriver, before you open up the existing outlet, like I said, first thing first, you need to turn off the power. Make sure there's no power here, okay? So you won't get electrocuted. And if you don't know what you're doing, I recommend you find an experienced electrical technician or somebody that knows how to do it, okay? So you do this. Any video that I do on here is for me, it's for fun. And if you find it helpful, just be careful. Do it on your own risk, okay? Okay, so the hole I made right here, I'm gonna put the old work. This is called old work box. It has the tabs. Okay, so I put it right here, and I make the mark. That way, I will cut it. And I'm gonna saw this off, okay? All right. Make the hole in here. Saw it off. Okay, by shining the light in here, you see that blue box on the other side. You see? That way, remember when I did angle the long flatbed screwdriver to the far right as I can. That way, when I cut it, it won't hit the box, and it's when I put it in, it won't interfere with the other existing box. Okay, I'm gonna feed the wire through. Okay, feed the wire through this side, right there. Okay, for this 15 amp outlet, used a 14 gauge, which is the white wire, but I don't have the white wire with me, so I'll just use the 12 gauge. As long as you run with the 15 amp outlet, you'll be fine. Okay, but if you don't run a very long line, you'll be fine. If you run a long line, and you might lose the voltage, but that's fine. Okay, and put my hand in here to find the wire that I just put it in. So here it is. Here it is. This is my new wire. So cut enough wire and strip the wires. Connect the wires to white, black to black, copper to copper. And I'm gonna connect the new wires to the attention label right here. It says attention. It says attention. And the terminals under this label for feeding additional receptacles. Okay, so I'm gonna take that off and hook it up there. That way I have the protection from this GFI or GFCI to the new outlet, for the new outlet. Okay, and just after you strip the wire, push it in here. Just push it in and tighten the screw. Okay, like I said, white to white, black to black. Okay, and this wire right here is the black wire, but because it's the house been it's painted, so you see white, but follow that line and I'll see, and then you see the black in here. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see, but now I connect the black wire and the ground wire to the ground terminal. Okay, black to black side, copper to the ground. This side is done. Now I move to the other side. Okay, the install is done. I am going to switch the power back on. Okay, this is the Ring Chime Pro, the second generation. And plug it in here. There. Okay, the installation is finished. And that's the Chime Pro. Okay, this is the other side. If I reset this, then the power on the other side will cut. See, it cut off right now. The blue light is off. I switch it now. I reset it. Then the green light is on, and the blue light will be on when it's online. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and please subscribe to my channel. And this is like do it yourself, so please don't hold me, don't hold risk, don't do anything risky. Make sure you turn off the power and continue. Otherwise, if you need help, find someone that knows what to do, or an electrician that will help you out. Okay, but this is very simple to do. Alright, okay, bye now.